Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, August 21st, 2024. Let's find out what the Ethereum is doing, and we are looking at the daily time frame chart at the Ethereum to Tether at Zondacrypto. As you can see, we got the clear situation of the horizontal trend after the recent bounce from the level of this is that level 2166. We got this very nice movement to the upside. So we got this 2176 ABC movement to the upside. We can even mark the technical resistance, as you can see, on the level of 2830. That has not been violated, and the level of 2918 will be the upper range of the supply zone on the Ethereum. Right now we're trading inside of the very narrow zone located between 2770 and the lows roughly around 2519. So that's because our current situation is a very low volatility trading situation, which might change anytime soon. Momentum doesn't help. It hovers around the level of 40. As you can see, it's way below the level of 50 whatsoever. So we don't have any chance even to test the level of 50, because in that situation the market would have to break above the supply zone 2770, 2918. So it looks like overall the Ethereum situation is mostly bearish because of the recent very weak price action to the upside and the weakness of the bulls that are not strong enough. They don't have enough momentum to break above the nearest supply zone that would allow them to climb over 3000 tethers. If we apply some kind of a moving averages on our chart, for example, if we apply let's say 100 and 200 periods moving average, we can clearly see that this moving averages, let me just apply them to the chart. These moving averages are very close together. There's almost a death cross here on the daily time frame chart. Death cross is looming on the Ethereum to Tether. If we zoom out, we can see that the last time, we don't need RSI anymore, that the last time we have this golden cross, 100 periods moving average breaking the 200 periods moving average from the downside to the upside, we had the rally, the uptrend. Now this cross to the downside, if happens, might be a confirmation that this market is already in the down trend, and we should see seek the levels roughly around 1500 here, because all of these levels here might be violated rather strongly. Of course, we still have different options here in terms of the technical support. We still have the technical support at the level of 2166 roughly here. We still have the technical support roughly around the level of 2100. So as long as we are not trading below these levels, the outlook remains slightly bullish. However, on the other hand, any bullish rally is being capped on the supply zone. So it's not a easy situation here, neither for bulls nor for bears, which is why when I see the let me just say over almost 50, I wanted to say 47% decrease from the uptrend high, swing high 4085 towards the last local low and swing low 2176. I'm not really that keen in calling this a part of the up early trend. It is something different. It is something bigger. Even if we let's say zoom out even more, we can see that this market looks very weak. This market looks very weak as long as it stays below 2770, 2918 zone. So please consider this as the like a final warning that possibly the downtrend is coming to the Ethereum market. So that means the alt season might be simply cancelled. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.